This is Gadgets Magazine TV, and here's the latest news.
The new Samsung Odyssey gaming monitor lineup brings together the key elements of next-level gameplay perfectly designed for the serious gamer. Comfortable curvature, unmatched immersion, and seamless picture clarity, providing unrivaled eye comfort. The Samsung Odyssey G9 is the world's first and largest 1000R gaming monitor. At 49 inches and arced to match the curvature of the human eye, the G9 assures unrivaled immersion with its unbelievable performance, pixel-perfect image quality, and incredible design with glossy white exterior, combined with technology-leading Infinity Core lighting design. Packed into a darker and more compact unit, the Odyssey G7 is the world's first QHD 32-inch and 27-inch 1000R curved gaming monitors that come with similar spellbinding features as the G9. Filipino gamers can now avail of the Odyssey pre-order promo from November 21 to December 21, 2020 via the Samsung eStore. The suggested retail prices are 33,699 for the 27-inch Odyssey G7, 37,299 pesos for the 32-inch Odyssey G7, and 74,799 pesos for the 49-inch Odyssey G9. With the pre-order promo, every purchase of a Samsung Odyssey monitor comes with the following special bundled items for free. For the 27-inch Odyssey G7 monitor, a Logitech gaming mouse worth 4,350 pesos. For the 32-inch Odyssey G7 monitor, a Logitech gaming keyboard worth 7,200 pesos. And for the 49-inch Odyssey G9 monitor, a Logitech gaming mouse, keyboard, and headset worth 19,350 pesos. Find out more about the Samsung Odyssey gaming monitors by visiting www.samsung.com/ph/today.